Welcome friends to the channel God is Science or Science is God. We are in continuation to finding evidences that spacetime is a superfluid and it flows at the speed of light. In earlier videos we have seen that spacetime is being produced by the black holes and is being added at every point, causing the typical expansion of the universe. Then we saw that spacetime is a physical entity forming the stratum of the universe. Thereafter we saw that spacetime is a superfluid flowing at the speed of light, and we saw the evidences from formation of the black hole. Friends, as a confirmation to the above finding this time, we will see the evidences from supernova, which are considered to be the brightest event in the universe. The energy released within 10 seconds during a supernova can exceed the total energy released by the sun during its entire lifetime. The light released during the supernova can mask the light of entire galaxy. So before we begin with today's video, please subscribe to the channel, and if you like the videos, please share them on all platforms and groups. So here we begin today's topic, finding evidence that spacetime is a superfluid and flows at the speed of light from the brightest event in the universe, the supernova. Have you ever wondered how a seemingly small star can create an explosion so bright it outshines an entire galaxy? This breathtaking phenomenon is known as a supernova, and it's the most spectacular light show the universe has to offer. But how does this happen? And why are supernovae so incredibly bright? A supernova is the extraordinary death of a star, resulting in an explosion of stellar proportions. It's believed that the energy released during a supernova might exceed the energy released by a sun-like star throughout its entire lifetime. This explosion is thought to occur when the gravity of the star grows so strong that it pulls all the star's mass towards the hot core, causing the outer layers to explode. Yet not all stars are capable of creating such a spectacle. Only stars with a mass of at least 20 times that of our Sun can cause a supernova upon their demise. But if gravity is directly related to mass, how does the gravity of a star change so drastically without a change in mass? This question has puzzled scientists and remains a topic of debate. There are two types of supernovae, each with their own unique process of creation. The first, known as a Type 1 supernova, occurs when a star begins to collect matter from a nearby object, initiating a nuclear reaction. The second, a Type 2 supernova, happens when a star exhausts its fuel and collapses under its own gravity. The cause of the explosion isn't disputed, but the collapse of the star raises some intriguing questions. If the star's gravity is so strong that it causes the star to collapse, why do the outer layers explode rather than collapse as well? We know that black holes, which trap light within them, are formed from the explosion of large stars. If supernovae are also caused by large stars, why do they create the brightest event in the sky rather than trapping light like a black hole? A new perception proposes a different explanation. Regardless of the cause of the explosion, the star's matter scatters around the surrounding spacetime, creating a void. Spacetime rushes in from all sides to fill this void and brings back the matter, which begins to rotate at the speed of light. All this happens at the speed of light, hence giving an illusion of an implosion. The opposing forces compress the matter to such an extent that it becomes an ultra-dense neutron star or a black hole, depending on the size of the star that exploded. Interestingly, the direction of the photons is not affected by the direction of spacetime. The photons released during the explosion move outward in the opposite direction of spacetime and do not get trapped, making the supernova the brightest event in the universe. This suggests that spacetime behaves like a superfluid, flowing at the speed of light, and a black hole is a whirlpool within it. Supernovae, with their extraordinary brightness and complex nature, continue to captivate and challenge our understanding of the cosmos. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the universe, we may find that our perception of these celestial events will continue to evolve and enlighten us. A black hole functions on the principle similar to that of a pressure cooker, and the Shiva Tandav Stotram, composed thousands of years ago by Ravan, the demon king of Lanka, now Sri Lanka, tells the complete story of creation and destruction of the universe and describes all the events and phenomena. It calls black hole as a huge storage. Awestruck? Intrigued? Confused? Are you interested to know more? There are more evidences coming on the way, so stay glued to the topic and wait for the next video. If you are a professional or a researcher in the field and want to discuss more, feel free to message me on the YouTube channel.